Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the process of connecting your SOFI account to your Cash App. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App and locate the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you've tapped on the profile icon, the next step is to find and tap on Link Banks down below. In the next step, tap on Link Debit Card. However, since we are linking an account, you should tap on the No Card button at the bottom. After that, select SOFI from the list of available banks. You will then need to authenticate the process of linking both accounts by pressing Continue Log into your SOFI account when prompted. Once you have successfully logged in, go back to the Cash App and tap on the bank icon located at the lower left part of your screen. Then, select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your SOFI account to your Cash App account. Wait a few seconds, and you will see a confirmation screen indicating that the transaction is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more tutorials. See you in the next one.